Changing the ear tips. If you are getting feedback, a whistling or squealing sound when listening to the device, it's a good idea to try changing the ear tip to reduce or remove that feedback. To remove the ear tip, simply grasp the tip and pull it firmly straight off the end of the sound tube. Choose the next size larger tip. To put it on the sound tube, simply line it up with the end of the sound tube, then push it firmly onto the tube. Put the hearing device back on your ear and listen. If the whistling has stopped, then you are done and ready to reprogram your device. If you are still experiencing feedback, take the device off your ear, remove the ear tip that is on it, and choose one of the closed dome tips. These will do a much better job of preventing the audio from leaking out of the ear canal and causing feedback. There is a trade-off, though, in that the larger domes and the closed domes tend to fill your ear canal more thoroughly, which can leave you with the sensation of feeling like you're hearing things from the bottom of a barrel. So spend some time and experiment with the different sizes and styles of tips to find the one that fits best, prevents feedback, and still sounds natural enough to make you happy with the sound. Once you have found the proper size and type of ear tip, go back and reprogram your device, as the type and amount of amplification you need will have changed with the changes in tip choice. Thank you.